everyone, I'm Kanika from Cloudscape Technologies and welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we saw how to add customers. If you haven't seen that, subscribe to our channel and you will be able to see more such videos. Although we have added customers, but is the information accurate? Accurate customer information allows for better communication, marketing, and overall customer satisfaction. If your customer list is cluttered or outdated, it can slow down your workflow. That's why tools like merging duplicate customers, editing records, exporting for analysis, and deleting unused profiles are so important. Now let's walk through each of these processes, and to start with, let's export the customers list. For this, navigate to Customers module, and here you will get option to export the list. Now here you will see there are so many pages and each page has 1000 records. Downloading 1000 records in one download will be very time consuming. As a workaround, I will right click page 1 and copy this link address. Open a new tab and add this address. In this address you will get option of size. Here instead of 1000, I will put 15,000 and enter this. Depending on the number of records, this may take some time, and I will save this file, and let's open this file to see how many records we have exported. There are 15,000 records. Note that there is a limit to the number of customers you can export doing this depending on the amount of data each customer has. If you export too many customers at once, the page can time out. Limit of 15,000 export has been successful and 30,000 limit causes the page to time out. Now let's move on to the merging customer profiles. If your database has customers with duplicate email addresses, a red banner on top of your screen will show. Now here I am selecting Manage the duplicates so I can see how can I merge. So all these customers have same email address. So I am selecting one as the primary customer, and for rest of them I can select what needs to be done. You have options like do not merge, merge and keep customer, and merge and delete the customer. So this customer I am not merging. The second one I am merging and keeping the customer as well. Merge and delete the customer. You can do this for all of the customers, and once this is done, you apply and go to the next group, and this will give you the next group, and this is how you will merge the customers. Now let's see how we can delete the customers. So if you click this small arrow, you get option to delete the customer. If this customer is added to any open transaction like lay-by or on account sale, you won't be able to delete this. So if you see here, you are not able to delete. But if in case the customer is not attached to any of the open transactions, you can delete it easily. Now deleting the customers one by one is a bit difficult, so you can select the customers and then you can delete in bulk as well. So let's say I'm selecting a few customers here, and then from this option I get either to delete or merge the customers, so I will select delete customers. Sometimes you may need to delete old or inactive customers to clean up your list. Be cautious when deleting customers as this action is irreversible. Now let's discuss editing customer profiles. Keeping customer information up to date is key to maintaining a strong relationship with your clients. If you see this pencil icon here, on clicking this you will get option to edit the customer details. This is exactly same window that we get while adding the customers. So you can update the first name, last name, email address, mobile number. You can also change the customer group here. And under details, you can provide the address, company details, date of birth. If there is any note for this customer, you can enter it here. If there is any additional information, you can use these custom fields. Once changes are done, save this and done. Now if you see this small arrow here, from here you will be able to see some information like details of customer, any store credit, loyalty points, account balance and notes. You can print the customer from here. To see all the sales for this customer, you can click this view sales And if customer is willing to pay the account balance, you can pay it from here and then delete it. Now let's see how to add the customer group. For this, navigate to groups here and you will get option to add group. This is static information, so I'll just enter the group name and add the group. Let's see some sales report for the customers. So here, going to sales reports, and under report type, I have selected customer. Under measure, it's revenue. Date range for this year. Under measure, you can select sale count, returns, and tax also. You can see different measures here. Once done, you will be able to see the revenue generated from these customers, the gross profit margin percentage, tax, and other information. And that's all for today's video. Isn't it that easy? You have learned how to manage your customer list in the Lightspeed X series by merging, exporting, deleting, and editing profiles. By staying on top of these tasks, you will maintain a more organized and efficient customer database. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more tutorials. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And for any suggestions and feedback, write to us at support@cloudscape.ae. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.